Well, guys, it's me, Justin. I'm gonna play some more Fortnite. And as you probably seen the last video, I made a new skill part 2. And if you want to see part 1, um, check out Illuminati Squad. He just has an Illuminati and he has 11 subs. So if we can get this to at least 5 subs, I would be happy. And smash that like button to at least five likes. Oh, and I just got the Valor. Yeah, as you can see, Valor. I really want I really want the Emperor. Yeah, not this way. Yeah, yeah. What? Hey. Okay. Ready? Hi. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. It just lags. What up? What up? What up? What up? I was just trying to do my missions. I was trying to do my mission, but it's okay. Oh, hello, monkey. You want to do 2 versus 2? You're on his team. Now it's a man for themselves. I want Dusty. I want to go on Dusty. I call being in Dusty all by myself. No, they get your own tower. You get your own towers, and I call Dusty. You get your own place, right? Come on. I never get my own place now. That's why I don't play it anymore. That's why the only reason I want to play Playground is because I want my own like building. Not gamer centered friend request. I got a legendary scar at Dusty once. No. I started playing like 2 months ago. I'm making a video right now. I want to go Dusty by myself though. I call Dusty. Oh, where do you guys want to meet up? Where do you guys want to meet up? Do we have to leave? No, what has he done? I just found 2 llamas in like the depot. 2 llamas in depot. Oh, that's why you never play with him. Is his brother less like Oh, that's why. Oh my god, that's so that's so mean. He, I already found 2 llamas in Dusty. I found 2 llamas in the beginning. I've got nothing. I found 2 llamas. My, I got a pickaxe. Nice thermal. I just got thermal. I have like nope. Nice chug jug and Tommy gun. Yeah, I've never done a try hard either. And I think that video is gonna end it because I'm playing with my friends. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!